Hello, I'm Vincent White. I'm an employment attorney, and today we're discussing what to do if you're an employee and you are assaulted by a customer because you tell them to put on a mask. Okay, so first off, assault is a very broad category. It's going to change jurisdiction to jurisdiction, and it's very broad. But the loosest, easiest rule is going to be anything that makes you afraid. Any kind of physical threat, any threat of physical force, in most jurisdictions, spitting, anything of that nature, any touching or threat of physical force, that could qualify as assault. If you feel physically afraid, step one, call the police. Step two, if you've been harmed by a customer or a client, well, right off the bat, you may need to speak to a workers' compensation attorney because you've been harmed in the workplace. This is a workplace injury. Workers' compensation may have something for you. They may be able to do something for you. But also, the person who harmed you, that was an intentional act. So personal injury attorneys might be in play as well. That person, it wasn't really an accident, right? They assaulted you on purpose. They didn't slip and assault you. They chose to assault you. So maybe that person should be sued as well, right? That person is breaking the law. They're not allowed to lay their hands on you. You're just doing your job, saying, hey, this is a private business. If you want to come in here, we need you to wear a mask, right? Lastly, if your employer gives you any pushback, right? Don't call the police. I don't care that you're afraid. Don't call a workers' compensation attorney. How could you call a workers' compensation attorney? How dare you? How dare you sue our clients and our customers? That's not what we want to do here. That's not what we're about. Customers are always right. Well, they're not right if they're assaulting your employees. If you get that kind of pushback from your employer, call a local employment attorney. I think a local employment attorney is going to be thrilled to help you out with that because your employer is way off base. I know this is quick. I know it's not a ton of information, but this is a really good checklist of what to do if you're an employee who has been assaulted because you had to ask someone to put on their mask inside your business. Thank you. Take care.